Thank you for watching KTN Prime. Welcome back, and now let's get sporty. Captain Elizabeth Andiego restored hope in the Kenya Cup after romping into the finals of the ongoing Africa Zone 3 Boxing Championships at Kasarani Indoor Arena in Nairobi Tuesday evening. It took Andiego 1 minute and 52 seconds to beat Salma Chagirawi of Tanzania in the middleweight semi-final bout. Andiego, who's the Nelson Mandela Cup heavyweight champion and Africa Zone 3 middleweight queen, said she is out to retain the regional title and therefore had to fight like a wounded lion in the first round.